What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And before I say anything else, I just gotta start off with I'm so sorry, guys. I haven't posted other than that skate short, which you guys blew up. It was over 1,000 views, which thank you guys so much. But I'm so sorry for not being able to post. It's almost been like a whole week without posting a single video, and I made a post this morning about that I'll try to make it up, and I did say in the other video that I'll try to make it up, but it's just a lot of stuff. But yeah. But I have such good news because I've been planning this out a long time. New sounds alert. Every single sound in this video is new. Brand new, relaxing sound alert. So I'm just so excited. I just keep looking at them. I'm so excited to get into this video. And I'll try to make this one maybe 10 minutes for you guys. Or if you like shorter videos, you could just tell me down in the comments. But yeah, so let's just get into them. See what we have for today. Like always, bringing up my next 3D print. We got the octopus. And I love these gradient colors. Wow. Oh my goodness. I just love how they just boom. They turn. In person, it looks so awesome. So got that. And I'll just sit right there. Next, we got new sound. It's the Neato Nice Cube. I got this at my local Walgreens. You could get it actually off VAT19 if I remember correctly. They're actually what I saw it from, but I just saw it at my local Walgreens and I got it. So next we got little fidget thing that I got for my friend's birthday party. Yeah, it was in a gift bag. And yeah, I don't want to say his name because yeah, you guys don't even know my name, which I don't really feel good saying it, but maybe 1,000 subs, I'll say it. But got this part of an egg. Don't make fun of me, but I used to watch LankyBox, so it was a mystery LankyBox egg. And yeah, and it makes really good tap. I'll show you. If I put it on my, it looks goofy, but yeah. The last one, I just found this random because I got new shoes recently when there was shoes in here. But I could show you guys that if you want. Just comment down below if you want to see it. But I don't want to start doing that's a little teaser. But when there's shoes inside, which I have shoes over here that I could just put inside, it's good. But without further ado, let's get into my whole array of. And first off, I know I end off with the 3D print, but there's all new sounds. So I think we should just do the new sounds last. So, starting off with octopus. I like this one better than all the other ones because it's tentacles. So I could just. And comment down below if you want to see another no talk relaxing sounds video. It can be 3 minutes, or just comment how much ever minutes you want. But yeah. Hopefully that goes through. But yeah. One of my friends actually watches my videos. I don't or really want to say his name because I don't know if he like is comfortable with that. I can ask him because I could text him, but yeah, he said he actually listens to my relaxing sounds while like falling asleep. Like he listens to them all like falling asleep, which gave me so much inspiration. He told me that at church, so yeah. Oh yeah. But yeah, okay. So I'm already at the 5-minute mark. Almost at the 6-minute mark. So I'll put that down. Next, Neato Nice Cube. Oh, I love this so bad. If you guys could feel this, it's so, like it rock solid. But once you like, the more you like play with it, your body thing like heats it up and it just sinks into your fingers. But I found a good sound for this. Not really a tapping sound. You guys have really good hearing, but look. Slime sound. It actually looks a lot like slime, I feel like, but it's not. It's like this thick plastic thing and like a cube. It's like gel inside. I like that. Moving on to the twisty thing. I don't know what you call it, but this one isn't like one of those really poppy ones, but I could kind of like maneuver to make it be good. Oops. Okay. There we go. There we go. And then next we got, this is probably my favorite out of all of these. It's the egg. Like, I know. Like that. Plus, like, my fingers are like stickies. Yeah, that really like suctiony. I've never actually tried it for nails, so that's nice. But this is my favorite. And you might laugh a little, but like if I put it on my head right here. Yo, I'm freaking out. Yo, this sounds like raindrops on the car. Oh my goodness. Yep, this is probably my new favorite sound I've done in this whole YouTube channel so far. What? Oh my goodness. This one is favorite. Lastly, we got the shoebox. Let me try to put some shoes in here. I guess these aren't really shoes. I like my dinosaur slippers. I don't know if this will work as well, but I don't think I did, but I don't know if that's different. Why does each part of like this one? And this. And this. It sounds so different, but yeah. But anyways, guys, I hope this gets at least 20 views because I haven't posted in a while, and that usually kind of hurts my my views a little. So hopefully this will get like 20 or over. But thank you guys for watching. If you watched all the way through, hitting the 10-minute mark, thank you so much for all the support. Even if you don't like it or like subscribe, I'm just so happy that I'm getting views, at least. But it would be nice, but I just honestly want some comments, some engagement and stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you've watched it all the way through, you're a legend. See you in the next one.